Rucini rwa muthenya wa Jumaine thiko ya kere kirumaniririo maundu maikarite mathararite kiharo-ini kinene kia Jomo Kenyatta Nairobi magana ma athii makagagairwo ni wa gwika kumana na mugomo wa aruti wira a iharo cia ndege.
Tulikuwa tunafaa ku take off at 2:10, so that means checking ilikuwa inafaa kuwa like 2 hours earlier, but since tumefika tukaambiwa hatuwezi check in since kuna ni kama kuna an ongoing strike.
Omwe witu afati go travel guthie London, but unfortunately ndari arathi kuma ira na nigo connect flight ciake riu kindu kiria kira korwo gikirehe thina tutiramenya undu uria urathi na mbere uria guguthie na mbere tutia guthie thaa cigana na iria aguthia go connect nacio ari connect thaa cigana.
Gatagati ga githagathaga giki arugamiri ya ngwataniro ya KAU marokete giikaro-ini kia miario ya gwetha wiguano agigitelefoni minister wa ukui David Chilchil iria igite na maciaro na mugomo uyu kaninwo gukinya mathaini ma miaraho.
We are happy that we've had very successful consultations and engagement bringing together both KCAA management and KAA management, and in effect Kenya Aviation Workers Union would like to call off the strike action.
The ministry wishes to inform all travelers and air operators that it has been agreed that the airport operations be resumed to normalcy immediately.
Mamwe ma makaya ma aruti wira aya marari gukinyiririo kwa wiguano wa wira wa mwaka wa 2015 wegie kwambatio ngathi ikiro-ini cia wira na angi guikara kandarathi-ini maria Ndiema augite ni marumbuitio.
Union level of representation at KCAA will now include employees in grades 4 and 5. The rest of the items cutting across KCAA and KAA are issues that require more time, deliberations, and that is why we have requested the Ministry of Labour to assist us through a process of conciliation.
Nilikuwa nishabook hoteli, maybe nilikuwa nafaa kucheck in jioni, so that means nitachelewa, inabidi pia ni reach out uko niambia I want to be able nini, so tunaona inconveniences zina cause of which sasa si poa.
The ministry takes note of the disruption occasioned by the industrial action and apologizes for the inconveniences caused to travelers and operators.
Thutha wa ikinya ria kuninwo kwa mugomo wa aruti wira a iharo cia ndege kibarua kinene riu ni gutigirira mihango iharo-ini ciothe cia ndege bururi-ini ni acokerera uria kubatie. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.